5 ducklings. Hey, 5 little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. All 5 ducklings came running back. Eddie bow, Eddie bow, Eddie bow, Eddie bow, Eddie bow. 4 ducklings returned, 4 little ducks swam through the pond, past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 4 came waddling back. Eddie bow, Eddie bow, Eddie bow, Eddie bow, Eddie bow. 3 ducklings splashed, 3 little ducks jumped in the stream, bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 3 ducklings came back. Eddie no show, 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 show. 2 ducklings roamed, 2 little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 2 ducklings came back. Eddie no show, 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 show. 1 duckling lost, 1 little duck went out to play over the moon and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but just 1 duckling found the way back. Eddie bow, Eddie bow, Eddie bow, Eddie bow, Eddie bow. No ducklings left, no little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called quack, 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 and all 5 ducklings came running back. Eddie no show, 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 whoa, quack, 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 quack. Eddie no show, 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 show.